What's up, everybody? It's Ryan again with Costa Customs. So today it's a pretty rainy day. I decided I put my foot pegs on. We're going to be going on highway pegs. We're going to be going on a long trip. So I am going to show you what I bought, how to install them, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So I got the engine guard mount foot pegs. They're like $39.95, so let's just say $40. I'm going to go ahead and install these and show you guys what to do. Alright guys, so the pegs we have for the road glides have the 1 1/4 inch. So you're going to discard the inside spacer, leave the outside ring as well as the two pinch nuts. I would snug it up, set it to where you want, and then go ahead and tighten down the right side. This is on the inside of the bar. Don't forget to tighten your 10mm nuts here to hold this on, and swivel this back to a way where it meets your foot flat and it's not going to contact the ground when you're turning, and you'll still be able to put this highway peg up and utilize your brake pedal without anything interfering. So what you're going to do is you're going to, it's pretty straightforward, you're going to take out this spacer for the smaller bars. You're going to put the bolt through with your two washers, and you're going to tighten this down. I want to say it's like a 15mm. You're going to use a crescent wrench and hold this part of the peg so you can tighten this down, and then make your adjustments and tighten your 10mm so this doesn't go loose or anything. I would highly recommend starting with the right side, just because this is where your brake is, safety related, and you can always go to your left side and adjust that. I would get your right side done first. It definitely helps having somebody here with you while you do it. That way you can sit on the bike. You can, move it around, hold your foot there and whatnot, and have somebody tighten it down so you can keep that spot. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It's Koffs, KOFFS _customs, KUSTONZ. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.